Welcome back to the Vera Project. So I went ahead and I got me a really nice, powerful pressure cleaner, 3200 PSI. I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you, unpackage it, let you know how it works, show you before and after. So let's see how it does. Here we go. I got me this Ryobi 3200 PSI. It comes with the disc in order for you to go ahead and do driveways and sidewalks and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead, open this up, see how it looks. Hey guys, so I want to show you here the difference. As you can see, the area here is where I ran the dish, and that area there, and then this is an area that I haven't ran. I also figured out a few things when I was trying to do this, is that make sure that this is on position flat here this way in order for the gas to actually flow through, because if you turn it, it won't start. Then you go ahead, put it on the start, you pull the pull start here, and then you couldn't put it on run, so it stays going. Other than that, it's pretty smooth. It also came with this nozzle right here that you put on, and you see it has like all the sizes, right? Soap jet, soap fan, 0, 25 degrees, 40 degrees. So I'm just gonna put the camera up and kind of do a time lapse. Alright guys, well, I definitely got to say I'm pretty impressed with this machine overall. It did an amazing job. A lot faster than if you just had to do it with the nozzle alone. So I definitely recommend getting that included disc, 15 inches surface cleaner. And I kind of just show you, still a little wet over here. I did the sidewalk over there, and I did the sidewalk over here. So go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time at the Vera Projects.